Hello and welcome to Grozip. So, what are the products we can find in Kamya Mahakali Attakala store featured in Grozip? So, let's tap on the Grozip app. This is the home screen. Just scroll down and you will find over here Kamya Mahakali Attakala. Yeah, you will find dal, rice, beer dal, masoor dal, the normal food items like groceries, which you can find over here. Tadka, fry kolatha dal, fry moong dal, fry butta dal, chitra rajma. Then you can find black biri, badam, chilika biri dal, then yellow peas. You can order it here. The groceries items like jeera, dhania, red chili powder, chickpeas, soya bean, green peas, yellow peas, everything. Dalchini, choti ilaichi, then gol maricha, javitri, anything related to groceries, you can order it in this app, Grozip app. Thank you.